We went live as a full electric building on the 1st of July, 2024. So one of the first few buildings in Australia to actually do this project. I am the Senior Manager for Engineering, Sustainability and Operations. So pretty much I'm the housekeeper. 101 Collins Street is a premium grade asset in the Melbourne CBD, built around 1989. Probably about 85,000 square meters, 53 floors of occupancy. Any kind of heating requirements were previously done with high efficiency gas boilers. And the transition to that was to literally remove our gas boiler infrastructure and replace them with heat pumps for different systems. So for the domestic hot water, we have heat pump solution that's located across 3 plant rooms. And then for the heating hot water side, we have a very large water source and air source unit combination that just does the heating hot water. There was a moment we turned everything on. We flicked the switch, everything powered up, and we pretty much spent the next week or two, 24/7, just optimizing the system. We did it right in the middle of winter, and the reason why is just a proof of concept. Well, the benefits are the fact that we don't have gas, right? So we don't have a flue, chimney stack or an exhaust stack just creating greenhouse emissions from the building. That's gone, right? We've removed that risk. Second thing is the fact that we're decarbonized. So by virtue of going all electric, it allows us to procure 100% renewable energy contract. I guess the best part about it is the teamwork, everybody just collaborating and just seeing it work on day one. That was the biggest highlight of the entire team.